What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. Today, we'll talk about two Punjabi words, chott and gapp. First, we will learn what is the meaning of these two Punjabi words. Then we will talk about which one is more natural. Then we'll talk about how to use them in sentence, right? So, what is the meaning of chott and gapp, right? So both words have the same meaning. So it means lie, right? So when you lie or somebody lies, that time we use chott and gapp in Punjabi. So, and which one is more natural? Definitely gapp is more natural and chott is more kind of formal. How to use them in a sentence? So let's talk about chott first. So how would you use Punjabi word chott in sentence? For example, you wanna say you are lying, right? If you wanna use this sentence, you are lying in Punjabi, you would say ਤੂੰ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲਦਾ right? So it means you're lying. So it's pretty formal way to say it. You would see this kind of sentence in books and maybe in the news. But when we talk, we use gapp, right? So we say ਤੂੰ ਗੱਪ ਮਾਰਦਾ. It also means like you are lying. ਤੂੰ ਗੱਪ ਮਾਰਦਾ. So you also notice I didn't say bolda. You know, maybe bolda means like a speak, but I didn't use bolda. I used marda. So maybe you're thinking marda means kill, right? So what here it didn't mean kill. Here it means speak or say. And if you want to know how we use word marna in different ways, because all the time it doesn't mean kill. Yeah, sometimes it's kill, sometimes it means kill or beat or hit, right? But there's also other situation or other sentences when we use word the Punjabi word marna to like do something. If you don't know how to do them, so make sure you go to my podcast and listen my 29th episode where I explain like how to use marna, the word marna in sentence. So anyway, so it means tungap marna, right? So when you are gonna say gap, always say marda, right? If you say to gap bolda, it kind of weird. If you wanna use bolda, then make sure you use cute, right? To cute bolda. Yeah, sometimes people use marda with cute, like a to cute marda. It's also kind of fine. There's no problem. But if you are saying like a tungap bolda, it's kind of weird because that's not how we say. So if you are gonna use gap, then always say marna, tungap marna. Or if you wanna say like a why are you lying, right? Then you can say tung kyun gap marna or kyun gap marna, tung kyun gap marna, right? So kyun means like a why. Tung kyun gap marna, why are you lying? So just like keep in mind if you wanna use jhoot, then you can say bolna, you can use marna, you can use both. To jhoot bolna, to jhoot marna. But if you are gonna use like a gap, then make sure you use marna, tungap marna. If you say like a tungap bolna, yeah, it's kind of fine, but yeah, it makes sense. But if you say that, it's kind of weird, right? Because no Punjabi people say that. And another thing, Punjabi word jhoot mostly use is a kind of formal way to say, but in conversation, I think more than 90% we say gap. Tum kyon gap marna, tum gap marna, right? So that's what we use in conversation. So now it's up to you which one you wanna use. If you like choose, you can use that. So like for example, if you like to say it formal, then you choose. If you wanna be more natural, like the way we speak in conversation, then I think you should use gup. So anyway, if you want some more Punjabi stuff, then make sure you check out my links are in the description. So anyway, I hope you learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson another day.